Hey guys, welcome back. Today, what showed up is the Aneng multimeter. I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. So this is a high precision multimeter made by Aneng. When we open it up, first thing we find is a black pouch, some leads with clips, some pins, the battery, inside the black pouch we have more leads with the probes, some more connectors, your user manual, and the meter itself. Comes very well packaged. So the battery will go in the back somewhere. Looks like we're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. Take the cover off. Put our battery in. Positive, negative. Shows a picture of the battery on the inside. Put a cover back on. Screw. And push our power button and she turns on. So after everything's unpackaged, this is everything that you get. You get a carrying case, the multimeter, leads with probe, the user manual in multiple different languages, and all the extra accessories for different types of testing. I'll show you some of the settings on here. You have 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder. Same thing here, 8-cylinder, 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder for the Automotive. You have DC current. Over here, you have DC voltage as well as AC voltage. And then you have ohm settings. The model number is SZ26, made by Aneng. On the probes themselves, I like the way the storage. They have caps, as well as protective caps for the other end. So the other accessories, there's more leads, clips, all this stuff screws into here, just like so. All right, so this battery's been sitting outside for quite a while. I'm not sure if there's even any juice or anything in it, so I set my meter to 20 volt. I'm going to hook up my leads and see if there's any juice in it. It looks like it's definitely less than a volt. It only comes up to 0.12. So this battery is pretty much trashed. So at least having this meter tells me that. All right, folks, that's all there's to it. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find these. In my honest opinion, it's a pretty solid little unit. I'll definitely get some use out of it. It's handy to have around. It's relatively, cheap. It's not like those $400 or $500 ones that you see on the market. I do have one of those, and this does exactly the same thing as that does. So I'm very happy to have it. And then if this video helped in any way, let me know in the comments. Hit that like, subscribe, and again, I'll see you next time.